how you can make your auto scrolls in YouTube shorts and videos easy. So for that, the first thing that we need to do is go to YouTube, let the interface of the YouTube open up, and then you need to go to your settings, which is mostly your profile icon, which is on the top right corner. We need to go there, and then again you need to go to settings. Now once you're in the settings, you need to tap on the third option, which is autoplay. Now here you have a few things written. Please read them carefully. One is autoplay next video. When you finish watching a video, another plays automatically. Now yes, we are in search of that, right? So for that you need to on this button. Like this is off and this is on. Make sure you on this and then you're done. Your YouTube videos will start coming automatically once it has been ended. I hope this video was helpful to all of you. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave any comments in the comment sections down, and subscribe to our channel.